If you guys ever come across to the term HOA when purchasing a house or home or condo, whatever type of property you guys are trying to purchase, hello guys, my name is Fabio Alvarez, your favorite real estate agent in South Broward. Remember, if you guys have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, okay? I'd be more than happy to chat with you guys. I know there's a ton of questions about this, and definitely just shoot me a text message, just write in the comments down below, whatever you need. I'll be more than happy to answer your question, guys, okay? Okay guys, let's jump into this. I'll show you exactly what this means, how can benefit you guys as buyers. So let's talk about first the simple one, which what it stands for. HOA basically means Homeowners Association, okay? Basically, Homeowners Association is just a collective group of people selected by the members of the community. We actually are in charge of creating basically the rules and dictate whatever is mandatory within the community, what are the rules and regulations and all this type of stuff, okay? What are HOA fees? The HOA fees are basically fees that are charged on a monthly basis by the association. This can cover all stuff, every type of stuff like maintenance, lawn care. It has exterior maintenance, it has roadways, it has sewers, water lines, tennis courts, mowing. All this type of stuff is covered by the association usually, but every all depends very on the type of association, of course. There are multiple fees charged towards the amenities. Some are called CDD fees, which I'm going to talk in the next video, and I'll explain to you what that means. But HOA fees is a monthly regular basis charge by the association, which covers all this type of stuff based on every community. The cost for the association fees, actually, they can vary. I've been asked multiple times about the cost, and there's not a particular cost of the association. It really varies a lot. It could be from $100. I've been the lowest one for $100 a month, and I've seen $600 and plus a month. So it's really based on the type of community you're in, all the amenities and all these type of benefits they have for you. So it's really based on all this. A couple of good things to know about HOAs or homeowners associations is basically they're really benefits, okay? There's really awesome benefits from them because they have these all amenities for you, right? They have these some type of clubhouses, the community pools and all this type of stuff where you don't have to worry about take care of that, okay? You don't have to pay maintenance for it or anything like that, and you can enjoy all these type of amenities within the community. You don't have to go out or nothing like that. So it's actually pretty good. Some of them have really great amenities and some of them have really great things to do. So it's really based on the community, but it's really I believe one of the best benefits of having an HOA. Something really important for you guys to know about HOAs is please let your agent know about the regulations and rules, okay? Because this can in the future don't allow you to maybe, I don't know, maybe you want to do something with your place. You're gonna remodel something and they won't allow you to do it. So it's important to know by law they should give you before the closing date. You should have their bylaws, their regulation and laws by the association. So the buyer should be able to see all these type of laws and everything that comes with it, so you guys can make a better decision about the association as well, okay? Maybe it's important stuff that you guys should know. The last and most important thing for you guys to know is this. There can be HOA fees. They can uprise. How? Sometimes they're remodeled, correct? Sometimes the association has some improvements, okay, for the building. Sometimes some things get damaged and they do one-time fees, or they can do something called special assessments as well, which basically is they have this big project they need to fix or they need to improve, and what they do basically is just they collect money from most of the members or everybody in the community that's affected by this situation, and basically they got collecting money during a certain period of time, and basically that's how that works. That's a special assessment. And so this type of projects, this type of assessments, and some other one-time fees that can happen within HOAs. So that's something you guys to worry about too. Before, make sure that the HOAs has no special assessments pending or anything like that. So you make sure when you purchase your property, you're not spending any extra fees coming out or any extra bills coming out your way, trying to charge you. So definitely really important, so you guys keep that in mind. Okay guys, this concludes the video for today. I hope it was pretty useful. I know it's pretty short information, but it's just really the most important information that you guys should know. If you guys can have any other questions, of course, please just don't hesitate to reach out. Let me know what you guys want to know. I know if you're confused, there's a lot of information to gather, so just let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.